Today I will discuss the topic we will discuss is alkane. Crude oil is the source that contains most of the alkane, which is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, and it often collects from the underground rock formation called reservoir. After we obtain the crude oil, we will pump it into the furnace and heat it up to 40 to 500 degrees Celsius to vaporize it and separate it. And it will be separated into multiple different fractions. The product will form has its own function. So now I will introduce a function for you. The first fraction is refinery gas, which is the function is for cooking purpose. The second fraction is petrol, which is a fuel for car. And third fraction is naphtha, which is for chemical feedstock like plastic and synthetic polymer. The fourth fraction is kerosene or jet oil, which is for fuel for aircraft. The fifth fraction is diesel for diesel engine, the fuel for diesel engine. The sixth fraction is fuel for ship, which is the fuel oil. And the seventh fraction is lubricating fraction, which is major for polish and car waxes. And the eighth question is bitumen. So now I will pass it in for the next.
Okay, and then this is a substitution of the alkane. What is substitution? Substitution actually in chemistry, it is a chemical reaction which involves the replacement of one atom or molecule of a compound exchanged with another atom or molecule. Yeah, and then this is an example, a model here, which is methane. The example of methane react with chlorine, Cl2, and then the product will be chloromethane and hydrogen chloride. So every substitution, which is we call halogenation of the alkane, using react with the halogen, which is chlorine, bromine, can form chloroalkane, which is haloalkane also. Yeah, and what is the uses and the condition, and under which condition that this chemical reaction will occur, that we need UV, which is ultraviolet radiation, to provide the energy for this reaction. And what's the uses of the haloalkane? For example, fire extinguisher, and then refrigerants, and then solvents, propellants, pharmaceuticals, and flame retardant. Yeah, and although it is very useful, but there is also some disadvantage of the haloalkanes, which is it will cause pollution to the environment. It is a pollutant and it is toxic also. And for example, the disadvantages, chlorofluorocarbon CFC, such as dichloromethane ClF2, can damage the ozone layer, so it is banned.
So the last topic we are going to talk about is the complete combustion. Complete combustion is only carried out when there's a sufficient amount of oxygen, and the product is only the carbon dioxide and the water, so it is very renewable. This is the equation that we have listed out as an example, is the ethane plus oxygen, and the product is the water and the carbon dioxide. Well, however, in the opposite of complete combustion, there's also incomplete combustion. This incomplete combustion carried out during there's insufficient of oxygen, and the product is different. The difference is only that the carbon dioxide is changed into the carbon monoxide. That's it for the complete and the incomplete combustions.
That's all from us. Thank you, everyone.